If you can't find record call option on the keypad of your Samsung phone when answering the call, then let us see how to record the call. Now there are two options for this one. The first one is go to this phone app, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, go to record calls, select this option auto record calls. Now when you answer the call will be automatically recorded. The other way is you can manually record the call also. So let me answer a call. So once you answer the call, tap on these three dotted icons here, select record calls. Now you can see the call is recorded. So once you finish answering the call, and if you go to the recent call years, you will see this microphone icon. That means the call is recorded. You can tap on it, and you can just tap on this phone icon here, and you can play the recorded call. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.